In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Oyakodon. Coming up. What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here. On this channel, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. So, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing down below. Anyways, let's go through the ingredients we'll need to make Oyakodon today. First ingredient is 2 pieces of boneless chicken thigh fillets, 2 eggs. Oyakodon means chicken and eggs, so there we go, 2 ingredients, and 1 onion. The condiments to make our sauce. So we need half a cup of stock. Ideally, you would want to use dashi stock, which is Japanese stock, but if you don't have dashi, you can use chicken or beef stock as well. And also some sake, mirin, and a bit of soy sauce. We're also going to garnish with a bit of parsley on top at the end. Anyways, let's get into the cooking.
So, let's start by making our teriyaki sauce. Grab a bowl and pour in half a cup of stock, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Give the sauce a bit of a mix to dissolve the sugar. Next step is to finely slice 1 brown onion. And for the chicken thighs, you just want to roughly cut into bite-sized pieces. Now, for Oyakodon, I recommend using a small fry pan to cook 1 portion at a time. That way you can slide it onto your bowl of rice at the end. So add half your onions and spread them evenly across the pan, and half your chicken as well. And just to emphasize the point a bit further, add half your teriyaki sauce. Now let's bring this over to the stove and get cooking. Heat the pan over a medium heat and wait for the sauce to come to a simmer. Once the sauce starts bubbling, cook the chicken and onions for 6 to 7 minutes. While that's cooking, crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk. Once the chicken and onions have cooked for about 6 to 7 minutes, pour half the egg evenly around the pan. Remember, we want to save the second half for our next serving. Cook for another 1 minute and take the fry pan off the heat. Fill up a bowl of rice and slide the mixture on top of the rice. Try and make sure all the rice is completely covered. To top it off, just add a few sprigs of fresh parsley. Now, repeat these steps for your second serving of Oyakodon.
And that, my friends, is a gorgeous bowl of Oyakodon. Now, let's recap a couple tips from this video. Number 1, try use a smaller fry pan because that's going to allow all your ingredients to stay nice and compact together. Number 2, cook each portion separately. So put half of the ingredients into the pan at a time. Cook your Oyakodon and it's going to make it much easier to slide your onions, chicken and egg onto your bowl of rice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. 2, 3, itadakimasu. Alright. We did gyudon, we did Oyakodon, maybe katsudon, we'll do it later. We love rice bowls, so yeah, drop a comment down below. Let us know what other rice bowls you'd like to see on this channel. I love bulgogi as well. That's a Korean rice bowl. Let's do bulgogi one time.
We could be really creative and like put anything on a rice bowl.
Yeah.